The 2025 Honda CRF250F dirt bike stands as a testament to Honda's dedication to innovation, performance, and reliability. Designed for riders of all skill levels, this machine bridges the gap between beginner-friendly usability and advanced capabilities, making it a versatile choice for anyone passionate about off-road adventures. At the heart of the CRF250F is its powerful, air-cooled, 250cc single-cylinder engine. It delivers smooth, predictable power, providing the perfect blend of torque and responsiveness. Whether you're navigating tight trails or tackling open stretches of dirt, the engine ensures consistent performance, making it a joy to ride in a variety of terrains. Fuel injection enhances efficiency and ensures reliable starts, even in extreme weather conditions. The chassis has been updated to maximize handling and stability. A robust steel frame provides excellent durability while maintaining a lightweight design, allowing for better control and maneuverability. Honda has also improved the suspension, featuring long travel front forks and a rear shock system designed to absorb bumps and rough terrain with ease. This ensures a smoother ride, even on challenging trails. The 2025 model introduces a modernized look, with sleek graphics and a bold red color scheme that reflects Honda's racing heritage. Ergonomics have been optimized to suit a wide range of riders, offering a comfortable seat height and a well-balanced layout that enhances rider confidence. The lightweight aluminum rims and high-performance off-road tires contribute to better traction and durability, making the bike suitable for both casual rides and more demanding off-road challenges. Honda has also focused on rider-friendly features. The electric starter makes getting the bike running effortless, while the new digital instrument cluster provides key information like speed, gear position, and fuel level at a glance. Safety has been prioritized with a reliable braking system, including a disc brake setup that delivers strong stopping power in various conditions.